Well, of course, I was fixing up the house and something ripped half my nail off. So I guess it's time to just repair this nail. I just need my little corner back, you know? I need it to not be jagged. So basically, I started off with prepping the nail a little bit, roughing up the surface just a little bit. And of course, I have to wipe. And then, of course, we put the nail form on. I got these from C&D. And yeah, it's good and snug, ready to go. So, of course, pull out the bottle, which is filled with plasma gel. And we're just going to basically put on like one coat. That's all I need. We have the pottle lamp ready to go. Good. All right, so let's get to open this baby up. And basically, I like to kind of push. You see how I'm kind of like working it around, like back and forth around the cuticle. I like to kind of etch it in there. I kind of like to really get it in the corners. And coat the entire nail. Cap the free edge, and then start kind of like just putting drops, you know, letting the gel go down to the end of the brush, so you can kind of I just want to put a couple of little dollops in that part that's missing to just kind of build the nail back up, because I need my corner back. So then we're gonna cook that for 30 seconds. Ta-da! I swear my lamp, I need to probably start using a new lamp, because this one, it's got gel all over it. All right, so we take that off, and you see how our dollop is kind of like suspended in motion right there. All right, so perfect. So we go ahead and file. Of course, you can't leave the dollop like that. That's a crazy jagged edge right there. So basically, we just smooth it down and make it round. I'm a squoval girl. I don't like it completely square. And then we buff the top a little bit. Let's see if is that what we want? No, okay, we need to add a little bit more. I guess I didn't cook it fast enough or well enough. We need to put one more coat on. All right. Let's see here. Oh, all right, we're good. We cooked it. And we're wiping it with acetone. Oh, there's my corner. I got my corner back, y'all. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and smooth it down, because you know how things move around in gel world. So I'm going to buff it with my file kit. And that's about it. I like it. Okay, just in case if it's not too jagged underneath, I like to pull out my drill, and just to get that, you know, that little overhanging part that's sometimes underneath your nail. When you build up like a little corner, it'll drive me nuts. So, okay, got rid of that, and I'm good. Okay, last thing I need to do is probably, get under there. I like to clean up, you know. You see that crack in my nail? There you go. There it is. Crazy, right? Crack and a corner. Great. So, pull out the luster top coat. And we have new brushes. Look at that. A clear brush this time, you guys. Yeah, sexy. And we put a coat of luster top coat on, and we're good to go. Look at that. Cook that for 30 seconds, and we're good to go. What do you think? I was thinking, oh, my nail's great, and it's fixed. But then I started looking at the other 9. They started saying, that's rude. What about us? I said, oh. What about you? They said, look at us. I said, oh, all right, here we go. So I decided to prep them and do the same thing. I put on one coat of plasma and one coat of top coat, added some cuticle oil, as you can see, and that's it. Just a little strength, so I won't, you know, just in case I find myself using my nails as tools, which I know I'm not supposed to do. But in the heat of the moment, I just got to get that plaster off, you know. And that's it, yeah. I love it. It still gives me a little bit of flexibility. Just one coat of plasma gel and a luster top coat. And that's it. I'm good to go. I love it. What do you guys think? And, of course, my thumbnail is saved. And, of course, I get to put more moisture on my skin because I'm always ashy. Anyway, thanks for watching.